Welcome back. Now you're going to see three areas on your left side menu for your content creation purposes. First, you're going to see a templates area. And when you come into the templates area, you're first going to see all the templates that are available in Jasper. You can then sort those templates by the different kinds, such as ads here or email, marketing, and all of the various kinds of templates here in this area. And these templates form the basis of the patterns you're going to use in order to create content with Jasper. And you can familiarize yourself with the AI by using these templates. Now, each of the templates have a different pattern of input that you will need to add. For example, assuming that you are going to use the listicle, and what you're going to see is that you're going to be able to add in, to get started, 80 characters to indicate to Jasper what you wanted to write for a specific topic. You'll then want to tell Jasper how many paragraphs you want for your listicle. You can then tell Jasper what tone of voice you want the content to be written in. And then you have language options which you can use. If you were inputting in a specific language, you can output in a different language, or you can output in the language of your choice. So for example, you can write in a specific topic. In this case, we're going to tell the output how many different paragraphs that we want. We are then going to tell Jasper what tone of voice we want to use. Now in this case, you'll notice then that there is a cloud that you can use, and you can determine what Jasper is asking for here in this area by hovering over this bar. You can also click on this Learn More link. This will open up into a specific explanation, in some cases done by video, so that you can tell Jasper what kind of content you want according to the parameters that the software actually wants. And so in this case, we're going to write in a tone of voice. Once we've done that in this listicle template, we can then click on the Generate button. And the generation process then begins, and you'll then see content here in this area from Jasper. What you'll notice here is that you have three different outputs for the content. That was dictated here by your inputs area, and you'll notice here that we wanted three outputs generated, and that is what we actually were able to receive. Now, so that Jasper is more effective in the way it learns how to write, you're going to be able to upvote a particular piece of content. If you scroll down, you'll be able to upvote or downvote a particular piece of content, and you'll be able to do this for each of the outputs that you actually get. In order to begin using the output, you can then open this in the Documents area, or you can copy it to paste it inside of your document. We're going to stop the video here, and we're going to pick it up from processing the content that we received from Jasper. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.